Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And you guys can check them out over at Lemorele. I think I said it right. That's going to be, a 9-in-1 USB-C hub multi-port adapter. Looks nice. So we got HDMI, USB times 3, USB data. It's a RJ45, SD TF card, USB-C, and a PD. Chromebooks, laptops, you name it, this does it. So all you gotta do is click that link down below. Take advantage of the Cyber Sunday or Cyber Monday deals. Feels like a Sunday, but a happy Cyber Monday to everybody. Here we go. And check out what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like it, I would suggest to get it now. They got the sales going on. So here we go, 9-in-1. Get it out, set it up. It has a nice little graphic art on it. Panda. Definitely want a Panda. So you just connect this to your Chromebook or MacBook Ethernet. Super lightweight. Take this on the road with you. Nice color too. Nice laser and stitched. And it's cool. Alright, let me get the situated in the other room. And here we go. We got it plugged in here, USB. Right there. Easy peasy. You can see the Panda reflecting in the background. Yeah, I'm just amazed how super slim this is. Easy to travel. There's a HDMI. Or no, USB. Sorry about that. And there we go. Nice and easy fit. And there's that one. And now 2, 3. Here's the front, side. Now HDMI, plug it in. Fits like a glove. Doesn't look awkward at all. And now we're going to plug the Ethernet. One touch right there. It's locked in. Good to go. An easy click. And bada boom. Check them out. Like I said, 9-in-1 USB-C hub, multi-port adapter, Lemorele. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.